In this video, we will discuss water system validation in pharmaceuticals. Water is a critical component in pharmaceutical manufacturing, playing a vital role in various processes such as formulation, cleaning, and as an ingredient in medicinal products. To ensure the integrity and safety of pharmaceutical products, it is crucial to have a robust purified water system in place. Purified water system validation is the process of confirming and documenting that the system consistently produces water of the desired quality, meeting the required specifications and regulatory standards. In this video, we will explore the importance of purified water system validation in pharmaceutical manufacturing and the key steps involved in the validation process. Water quality is of great importance in the pharmaceutical industry as it directly impacts the safety, efficacy, and stability of pharmaceutical products. Contaminated or impure water can introduce various harmful substances, such as microorganisms, endotoxins, particulate matter, and chemical impurities, which can compromise product quality and patient safety. Purified water, which meets the defined standards of purity and quality, is essential for the preparation of drug formulations, cleaning equipment, and maintaining a sterile manufacturing environment. Pharmaceutical water treatment system validation consists of 4 steps, which are design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification. Let us understand these steps one by one. Design qualification. The validation process begins with design qualification, where the system's design and specifications are documented and evaluated. This includes assessing the system's components, such as water sources, pretreatment methods, purification technologies, storage and distribution systems, and control systems. The DQ phase ensures that the system is designed to meet the required standards and intended use. Installation qualification. During the installation qualification phase, the installation of the purified water system is verified to ensure that it is correctly implemented according to the approved design specifications. This involves verifying equipment installation, proper placement of components, calibration of instruments, and adherence to safety requirements. IQ ensures that the system is installed correctly and ready for further qualification. Operational qualification. Operational qualification focuses on verifying that the purified water system operates as intended under normal operating conditions. It involves testing and documenting the system's performance, such as flow rates, pressure differentials, temperature controls, alarm systems, and water quality parameters. OQ ensures that the system consistently performs within the defined operational limits. Performance qualification. The performance qualification phase evaluates the system's ability to consistently produce water of the desired quality over an extended period. It involves testing the system under challenging conditions, including worst-case scenarios and system stress testing. PQ ensures that the purified water system can meet the defined quality requirements even under demanding conditions, providing confidence in its reliability and performance. Water validation testing phases. Complete water system validation requires 1-year-long time because of possible operating problems, maintenance errors which might occur during this period, equipment failure, etc. One more reason for such long time is to determine the seasonal change on the microbial quality of feed water and to determine the procedure of system sanitization effectiveness against microorganisms. Performance qualification of water system validation is done in 3 phases. Let us understand these phases one by one. Phase 1. This preliminary phase requires a 2 to 4 weeks, 14 days minimum, testing period to monitor the system deeply. The system is continuously operated in this phase without failure and extensive and frequent sampling is carried out with testing from various locations. Microbiological and chemical testing is performed according to the defined plan. Phase 1 finalizes the sanitizing, cleaning and maintenance procedures along with operating ranges development. Before the end of Phase 1, the system is initiated to operate with some stressful or tense conditions like the start of the system after the failure of power or startup after an emergency system shutdown. The system is simulated to operate under normal situations of maintenance like startup of the system after regeneration of resin, filter changing, ozone generator failure, etc. And in the last, water system SOP is prepared. Phase 2. This phase is a continuity of the previous phase, which is phase 1. It carries the sampling plan the same as the previous phase plan, and it also facilitates the monitoring of the system for a 2 to 4 weeks period. In this phase, the development of refined SOPs after phase first completion is done. During phase second, manufacturing can be done with that water. This phase describes that the water system is within predetermined ranges and under control. At phase second, testing also assures the continuous persistent and steady production of required quality and quantity when the water system is operated as per standard operating procedures. Phase third. After completion of phase first and phase second, phase third is typically run for 1 year. During this phase, water can be used for manufacturing purposes. During phase third, the sample locations, sampling frequencies, and therefore the test should be reduced to normal routine patterns supported by established procedures proven during phase first and phase second. Ensure that seasonal variations are evaluated. After completion of phase third of the qualification program for the water purification unit system, a systematic review should be undertaken. Following this review, a routine plan should be established based on phase third. Monitoring should include a combination of online instrument monitoring of parameters such as flow, pressure, temperature, conductivity, and total TOC, and simple offline testing for physical, chemical, and microbial attributes. Samples should be taken from the point of use and specific simple points. Sample from the point of use should be taken in a similar way to that adopted when the water is being used in production. Tests should be done for the determination of conductivity, pH, heavy metals, nitrates, total organic carbon, total viable count, presence of the specific pathogen, and endotoxin according to pharmacopoeia specifications has been satisfied. Monitoring data should be subjected to trend analysis. Post-validation monitoring of water system. It comprises routine check and balance of the water system, normal sampling, and routine analysis and maintenance of equipment. All the phases should be monitored in order to assure that the required desired conditions are satisfactorily set as specification. All these checks should be clearly documented in the respective logbook as well as in the reference validation protocol and report. Any deviation or change from this procedure should be documented and investigated. There must be a written procedure or program for the maintenance of equipment parts and it should be defined in the protocol. The procedure should have all the details of items required to check calibration and maintenance frequency. Revalidation of purified water system. Revalidation of a purified water system is a critical process that ensures the continued reliability and performance of the system over time. It is necessary to periodically revalidate the system to confirm that it continues to meet the required quality standards and regulatory guidelines. Revalidation involves repeating certain validation activities and tests to assess the system's current performance and ensure its ongoing compliance with the defined specifications. Revalidation is required after a certain period or after any change. Let us understand these both conditions. Periodic revalidation. Periodic revalidation involves repeating the validation activities at specified intervals to ensure that the purified water system continues to perform as intended. It is typically performed every 1 to 3 years, depending on regulatory requirements, risk assessments, and internal quality management systems. Revalidation after any change. It should be done to evaluate the quality and system of water after any changes. Addition or deletion of any parts or utilities to the existing water system. Addition or deletion of any user point or expansion of the distribution system. Any major change in the process equipment or any maintenance work performed after any major breakdown. It was all about the purified water system validation and I hope you understood the whole procedure of this validation process. If you like and understood it, then press the like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.